How do hearsay exclusions work in evidence law? Imagine being in a courtroom where a witness shares what someone else said, but that person isn't there to confirm or deny it. This scenario introduces us to the concept of hearsay. Hearsay is defined as a statement made outside the current trial, presented to prove the truth of what it asserts. This type of evidence is generally not allowed in court because it lacks the safeguards that ensure reliability. The person who made the original statement, known as the declarant, is absent, which means they cannot be cross-examined or held accountable for their words. The main reason hearsay is excluded is that it does not provide the same level of trustworthiness as direct evidence. In court, the judge and jury relying on the ability to assess a witness's credibility through their presence, under oath, and subject to questioning. Without these protections, hearsay is seen as too unreliable to be used as proof. However, there are exceptions to this general rule. Certain types of hearsay statements can be admitted if they meet specific criteria. For instance, an excited utterance is a statement made during or right after a shocking event. Because the person is under stress, they are less likely to fabricate their words. Another exception is known as a statement against interest. This occurs when someone makes a statement that could harm their own legal or financial situation. It is unlikely they would lie in such a case. Prior statements by a witness can also be included, but only if the witness is available to testify and can be cross-examined about those statements. This helps ensure that the information is credible. Present-sense impressions are statements made while an event is happening or immediately after. These are considered reliable because they are spontaneous and do not allow time for someone to create a false narrative. Additionally, admissions by a party opponent are not considered hearsay. If a party to the case makes a statement, it can be used against them. In more complicated situations, known as hearsay within hearsay, each layer of hearsay must independently meet an exception to be admissible. Understanding hearsay exclusions is vital for anyone involved in legal proceedings. Lawyers must argue whether a statement qualifies as hearsay and if any exceptions apply. Judges then decide on the admissibility of evidence based on these established rules. This process helps maintain fairness and accuracy in trials by ensuring that only reliable evidence influences the outcome. By recognizing the importance of hearsay exclusions, we can appreciate how they shape the evidence presented in court, ensuring that what is considered is trustworthy and credible.